Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a Bibbidi Box. Brad and Hayden got me this beauty for Mother's Day. So this is the ultimate magic box that was $119. I'd seen tons of videos on unboxing and I kind of been talking about one, so they told me to go ahead and order one for Mother's Day. So the first thing to know was it was really great. I ordered them online and every month they ship out between the 15th and 28th. My box was delayed, but I got an email from the company telling me that they're waiting on one item to ship and that would be a little late, which is fine because that's great customer service. I was happy they just let me know what was going on. So the first thing they do is when you sign up is they ask you what kind of box you want. I chose the like a gift box, so it only came once to see if I liked it, or you could do a monthly subscription to the box. So I chose the one time, so it's a little bit more picky this box just because it may just be a one-time thing. And they ask you if you want to follow along with a theme or just a bunch of random things that come together in the box. And then they ask you, do you want quantity over quality? Quality being nicer things and less items than the quantity. I chose the quality. And then the ultimate box says that they have one item like from a designer like Loungefly or Alex Nani, things like that. And they also had a choice to do a theme park box where you kind of go through the items to kind of figure out what theme park they're had the items from, which would be kind of fun. So it turns into a little bit of a game. So those were kind of things. And then they personalize it by asking things like your preferences. They'll ask you like what your favorite things are. So I said I love Stitch, I like Villains, Haunted Mansion, Tower Terror, and the Polynesian. And then they go forth and ask you what you don't want. I said I didn't want keychains or plushes or snacks because that was an option. We always get to have a lot of snacks from Disney left over just because we do the dining plan. And we live close enough to Disneyland that I just didn't want snacks. And then the last thing I said I didn't want, just because this is a one-time thing, is jewelry. I don't usually wear jewelry at all, so I didn't really think that's something I wanted. Or artwork, because to me, art is really personable. I've seen a lot of unboxings. They seem like they have really great stuff, but it just seems like I kept saying that I hinted very heavily that I really wanted a Loungefly mini backpack. I hope. Fingers crossed. We'll see. If not, I'm sure they have some really great items. I said under my preferences that I liked the pouches, the Mickey ears, coasters, candles, bath bombs, things like that. The one thing with my Bibbidi box I've seen from other unboxings is usually everyone's comes with kind of a shrink wrap so that their box comes in all nice. If you can kind of see mine, it did not come with that shrink wrap and the box is a little destroyed. So I'm hoping everything inside's okay. But if not, I'll just let them know. They seem like they're a nice company to work with. Knife, please.
Want a knife?
Knife.
Careful.
Brad's helping me. So I'm going to try to get into this without looking at what the items were. Ooh, lots of little confetti stuff. It starts out with the little mini. This is cute. A little smile goes a long way. Remember, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. I really like this, especially right now. Let you guys see. Spoiler alert, not gonna look. And it's got all these little fun little things. They have a really cute little sticker. Trying not to get everything everywhere because I don't want to clean up later. Okay, wow, there is a lot of packing material, which is probably good. Okay. Let's see what this first item is. So it's heavy. Ooh, okay. The Spirit of Aloha. It's a hand-poured candle from Wish's Magic Company. Ooh. Ooh. Can you guys see that? It's sparkly. It's subtle, but it's really nice. I like that. On the back it says, we hope you enjoy your treasure hunt. Always be sure to let the silver prize become fully visible and put out of the flame before removal. Never, ooh, there's a surprise inside. That's cool. This feels interesting. Ooh. It's a Hades tumbler. He would be a villain. It's a Tarvis too. Ooh. And it's 20 ounces. You can see a little Hades. I like Hades. That is cool. And the back, that is cool. I will definitely be using this. Matter of fact, when I'm done, I'm gonna make myself some iced tea in this. I love how it's all heavy. Ooh. I got a lounge fly. Ooh, it's a blind pin box. I'll give you a little hint. It's all stitch. I love pins. I didn't say that I liked pins in that, but I might make the exception. I do love to pin. It's like a vampire stitch. I actually got a second pin set, and it's villains from the Zoom Zoom collection. I'll show you guys here. Sorry, I was so excited. I wanted to get into it. Oh, there's 2 pins in here, maybe? Yeah, 2 pins. The little Maleficent. She's kind of cute. Oh, Captain Hook looks kind of funny as a Zoom Zoom. He's adorable. I like him. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should show you real quick the back of which pins you could get real quick from the villains. I see something big and red. Ooh, these are pretty. I've actually looked at these. This has a little Disney exclusive pink little button. So this is from the parks. Despite everything, let's see how, oops. Let's see how it looks on. Kind of like it. I like my little Mickey ears. Is that it? Oh no, there's something in the bottom. It's a Stitch crossover bag. Stitch is Elvis. This is so cute. I like this. This will be nice for like going out to dinners and stuff. Maybe our Disneyland days instead of Disney World, because I tend to take more of my bags because of the weather at Disney World. But the cool part is in back they have these 2 little separate compartments. So cute. Let me see if there's a design inside. No, it's just plaid inside. But that's really cute. I think that's it. Or I think that would be it for the price. Because that's really nice. I like that. Alright, so there was definitely a lot of villains in Stitch. So we'll go to my spoiler alert packing slip. Alright, for the Lounge Fly backpack, it was $25. Can you guys believe that? Wow, I'm surprised. Okay, so my little Stitch pin here from Lounge Fly, which is called the Disney's Lilo and Stitch Blind Enamel Pin, was $10. He's cute. Okay, the Tarvis Hades was $29. Wow, that's more expensive than the backpack. Who knew? I wouldn't have thought that. The Polynesian Wishes candle was $20. That's cute. For 20 bucks and it comes with some surprise, that's a really great price. For the Tsum Tsum Villains box, it was $15.99. My little Maleficent and Captain Hook were $15.99. My little red ears were $29.99. So that brings the whole retail value to $130.97 when I paid $119. So not a bad value. I'm excited. I liked a lot of ideas on it. I will say I multiple times did ask for a Loungefly mini backpack. And I specifically said I really would have been happy with the Haunted Mansion. I didn't get that. So maybe if I did it again. Overall, I think it's a really great value. These are definitely things I wouldn't have picked out for myself, but I'll enjoy, especially pins. I'd probably next time say no pins since I got 2 pin items. So I'm happy with the value of it, and I definitely love I think my favorite thing is probably the Tarvis and the candle. I like those a lot. And my ears are fun. I looked at them a few times and not sure how the color would have looked, so I think they look kind of great. What do you guys think? So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know if I got the wow factor I was hoping for. Maybe I would give them one more try with a gift box at some point, but I don't know if I would do a monthly. And maybe it's because I was picky too. So I don't know, because I didn't ask for Jim Shore or something like that. Overall, it was a great value for what I paid for. So they did great customer service. Pretty decent job. All right, so for now I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye everyone.